Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we discuss about the factors that we can consider before we choose which one is the most suitable mobile device platform that we should go. Okay, the previous video we already discussed a little bit about what is the SDK platform that we have. We have the native, iOS, Android, and hybrid. Okay, so in this video, we'll discuss what are the factors that we should consider before we choose either we want to go for the iOS or Android, or we want to have or invest in the hybrid application development. Okay, so the first reason is market shares. Okay, I already show you the statistic about the market share of the mobile. Second is about the target user and population. You should know who are your target users. If your target users use the Android device, so you should develop Android application. If your target user prefer to use Apple product, so you need to develop iOS application. So that are the factors that you need to consider before you can make any decision. Number third is the platform features. What are the platform that available for you? Okay, let's say you have the company, so how much that you want to invest for that? What are the asset that you have? What are the ability or capability of your team? Okay, the platform features, you need to identify the platforms. Is that suitable or can be what we say, is the platform features meet your requirement? And number four is about the cost. How much cost that you want to spend in order to develop the mobile application. And number five, the learning curve of your of the mobile application development. Okay, so look at the first part, market shares. Okay, market share usually rank high on the list of choosing mobile platform deciding factor, because market share reflect the potential of the application availability on the general population. Okay, while developing application on the mobile platform that has lower market share is generally not a bad idea, but it represents lower application availability to general public. Means it's okay if you want to choose develop a mobile application on the lower market share platform. Means you choose the mobile platform that has lower market share. That is not a bad idea, but you need to know the impact, the effect that it will affect the availability of your application to the public. Okay, and then application will be more visible on the devices with more market share. Okay, that's is the factor that you need to consider when you want to develop a mobile application. Okay, target user and population. Second most, okay, this target user and population, actually this one is related to the market share. Okay, it's also determined by the market share, so you will know your target user and the population that use the mobile platform. So second most important factor to be considered is the target user. Okay, while market share can be used as the potential application visibility indicator, okay, market share for visibility indicator, the target user instead determine who will use your application. Okay, example here, let's say teachers might prefer a different set of application than a businesswoman. Thus, the application developer must consider the target user wisely. Okay, that are the things that you need to consider when you come out with any application, any mobile application that you want to develop. You need to consider who are your target user. Okay, target user may prefer different mobile platform. So, example here, a businesswoman would potentially attracted to use the BlackBerry instead of other mobile platform. This one is example. Okay, this one is only example. So if your target user love to use Apple phone, but you develop a mobile application for the Android user, so it will not match with what you want and what your user want. Okay, the next part is the features of the platform itself. Okay, determine the generally available features on certain platform. Okay, some platform offers a wide range of sensors or features at the cost device fragmentation. Because of the device fragmentation, so we have a lot of sensors, a lot of features. While other platforms are more conservative with offering varied device features to ensure devices compatibility and to reduce device proliferation. Okay, example here, some platform offers NFC and fingerprint sensor as optional features. Okay, you can look at your mobile device, your phone. Is there any NFC? Is there any fingerprint? So if you want to develop a mobile application, so let's say in Android phone, most of the Android phone has the NFC features. So when you want to develop a mobile application for Android user, you can take advantage of the features of NFC. So maybe you can use the NFC card. So using your phone, you can read the NFC tag. Okay, example here. Okay. So while other drop the features altogether to encourage platform standard and avoid device fragmentation. So thus, developer who are interested in NFC-based application may have to select the platform which offer NFC features. Okay, because you want to develop something regarding the NFC, so you need to identify what are platform that available with these NFC features that offer you as a developer to use the NFC features when you want to develop the mobile application. Okay, and then the next part is about the cost. Some platform has slightly higher cost to the developer or deploy application. So the cost, how much that you're willing to invest in order to develop a mobile application. Okay. What are the costs that you should consider? First is the license, SDK license. You want the free one or you want to pay for it? Number second is the development environment. What is the development environment that you should use? Some platform require specialized operating system or special version of OS. So you need to consider that part. The third part is about the libraries that available. Okay, some libraries only available for the Android. Okay, so you need to consider that part. And some library you need to pay. Some are available free and some you need to pay. So this also involve the cost. Number 4, application distribution cost. The way you want to distribute your mobile application. What are the costs that you need to think of? Okay, and then is about the learning curve. Some platform have higher or lower learning curve. Okay, although this is considered as the least important factor that you can decide, means this is not very important compared to the other part, but it may have considerable weight on the new developer. Okay, because when you become a developer, then you will get promotion, you're being promoted to be senior, and then we welcoming the junior part. So the learning curve in order to support the application that you have already developed. Okay, that part you need to think of. So learning curve is affected by a platform familiarity, programming language proficiency, development paradigm, and the IDE. So which part is more popular? So the learning curve will be one of the factors that you need to consider. And choosing a platform with higher learning curve may affect development time, and developer familiarize himself with the particular platform. Okay, so this also need to be considered. So that are the factor that you need to understand is about the target user, the market share, the cost, the features that supported, the learning curve. These are the factors that you need to consider before you can make a decision which platform that you should use. So that's all for this video. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.